Kumar and I am a hospitality and food technology teacher at PLC Armidale. As a child, I grew up on a farm in Fiji. My mother was an amazing cook and I was inspired by my mother's skills and passion for cooking. Join me as we prepare and cook some of my favorite fresh and simple dishes. Today I'll be preparing chicken curry, the Indian style. You will get a demonstration of how to make Indian chicken curry in a simple way. This is a little bit different from the butter chicken pula dish which Indians make. This is a simpler version and it is done on a very regular daily basis. It can be eaten with the roti or the Indian chapati, or it can also be eaten with rice. I'm going to show you in the video. I've done some preparation just to save time, but the most important basic steps will remain the same, and you will get to know how to cook this in chicken curry. Okay, so let's turn the stove on and we'll get started. I'm putting the heat on low heat for now. Here's about 2 tablespoons of oil. We are going to cook the chicken in. And this can be any vegetable oil or it can be olive oil. I've got diced chicken here. These are about 3 thigh fillets. Diced into small pieces, bite size, because when it is eaten normally forks and spoons are not used. Let me finish just the cutting of onions, which I had started. Okay, once the pan is just hot enough, then I'll put the onions in. This is just sliced onion. I've used 1 whole onion, which was a small one. So we are sauteing onion in about 2 tablespoons of oil. Just lower the heat so there's a control of it. Once the onion has wilted slightly and gone colorless, changing color a little bit, then I'm going to add the grated ginger. It can be crushed and grated ginger, about a teaspoonful. They are both not added together because the garlic burns quickly. Now I'm going to add some grated ginger, just about a teaspoon or so, and we give a good stir to that. It changes so you can feel the aromatic smell coming out. Then I have got all the spices here. This is the whole cumin, pinch of mustard, and I've got dried curry leaves, coriander powder, which is also Indian way of saying masala, and turmeric, which also gives the flavor and color. So once we have achieved that aromatic flavor, light golden brown, because that does bring the flavor out for any of those vegetables or meat you cook. I'm going to put and the chilies are optional. I'm going to chop some and then put the chilies in, because I think curries are always complemented with. So give a nice in the low to medium heat, light golden brown again. Chopping some chilies, and this is the stage at which the chopped chilies go in. I think I'm ready with the spices, so the turmeric goes in now, as well as the coriander powder. Now I have got chopped chicken here. The chopped chicken goes in. Give it a good stir. Stage, we are going to add some salt, and this is absolutely up to taste. So to my knowledge, this should be quite good. A stir. Then about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water will go there. That will help to sweat so it doesn't burn and stick to the bottom. And I can get some hot water. Give it a good stir so everything is combined well. I'm going to add this water, not too much, but that will help the spices to come together. And I'm going to close this to make sure that all our smell, the nice aroma remains inside, and we change the heat to medium because on very high heat it can evaporate easily. To go with that, towards the end, I'm going to chop some tomatoes. This is also optional. Sometimes it's a good idea to get that a little bit of that, and I've got some coriander roughly chopped to be added to the curry once it is almost over. Now this is going to cook for about 20 minutes or so, or until I'm ready to say that the chicken is cooked, so it will be clear by the softness. So while our chicken is cooking now, I have just given a stir to that. I'm going to show you how to make the roti or chapati. They are interchangeably used and they mean the same thing. So here's about 1 cup of flour, slightly heaved, and I'm going to, this is a mixture of wholemeal flour and plain flour. You can use any chapati flour or just plain flour just to make it more nutritious. I'm using both mixed together. I'm going to combine this and make it into a dough, so let it come together. Little by little hot water is added. By the time I stir this, it will cool up a little bit so that I can put my fingers in that. And then once that is done, let me combine it into a dough. So it's all coming together now. It's not an extremely soft dough, but just good enough to combine, and I'm going to put a little bit of flour on my pastry board so that I can roll out without sticking to that. And now that the dough has come, let me give a little bit of kneading to that. It's just hot water at the moment. Now I'm going to use a tiny bit of oil, which is just a leftover from when I was pouring for the curry, so that it doesn't stick. And just with that, it's nothing very strenuous. So I'm just trying to bind that. And then now I think I'm almost done. I've got some extra flour here just in case I need. Roll that dough into a little log shape where I'm going to cut that out in portion. In the meanwhile, I'm going to heat the, we can use the heavy based fry pan or anything that is iron, which will, like a griddle, can be used also, which will help in. So I'll give a while waiting. I'll just stir to the chicken curry. It's doing well, actually. Okay. So let me just roll out into little balls, and then we'll use a rolling pin to make it into like pancake shape. And I've got some melted butter here, which I'm going to brush on the chapati or roti. In different parts, the names are used differently, so if I use roti, it's the same as chapati. So here's our first one. A bit of flour. Into an even thickness so it cooks well, because it's going to be cooked by the hot air. So even thickness is very important. So we are going to, just because it is very hot, I'll just use this, we'll just grease this lightly. And adjust the heat to medium. And I'm going to cook the chapatis now. Just turn it on the other side. Once that is done, you can use the spatula. Now I'm going to cook the sides. Just brush, this is also optional, but butter or ghee also is nice with the chapatis. Puffed up, we will keep it warm until serving. We are ready to write our menu. Chicken curry served with roti as well as rice. This also happens. Let's dish it up. Garnish of coriander, fresh coriander. Nice chili flour on that, and we can serve it with a condiment which I have already pre-prepared. It is a quite common thing to present with meals, especially if it has a touch of spice, raita, yogurt condiment complements. Let's put a small